In this video, I'm going to show you how to CFD trade on Trading 212. Now, the first thing you want to do here on the platform, you want to go in the top left and whatever it says here for me to invest, you want to click on it and you want to switch over to CFD, which should be over here. When you do this, you have two options. You could either create a real account, so you can open a new CFD account, or you could practice with virtual paper money. So I'm going to do that right now just to show you how this works. There we go. And then over here, you can see your account value, etc. You have your watch list, you have stocks, you have a bunch of different things. You have to just find the CFD you want to trade. I'm going to scroll down here, and for this example, we're going to take NVIDIA. And then here you can go and buy or sell, so select whatever you want to do. For example, I'm going to do buy over here, completely up to you. This is just an example. Then you can switch between value and quantity. Now, market is currently closed, but I can still show you how to do this. So I'm just going to do, let's do 100 euros worth of NVIDIA here, and it says how many shares that is. And then over here, of course, you can set your percentages like that if you wanna. Of course, that's completely up to you. I'm just gonna leave it like it is. And then here you can do a limit or stop order if you want to. You can enable that or not, completely up to you. I have to because currently the markets are closed. And then you have to set your price. I'm just going to do it at 18 or 185. And then here you can also set your take profits or stop losses. That's also very optional. And then after you've done that, you can go ahead and basically place buy or sell order, and that way you can trade CFD on Trading 212. So that's essentially how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.